I made this code so anyone can come and create things like this. Okay, you can't see anything. I'll show you in the game. Things like this. Okay. Oh, these things aren't visible. So let's have 1 1 1. Like this. You create it very easily, and then it just they look way too big. I'll make it 0.2. So now you should have a few. You should flip them randomly too. I think that will look better too. Don't block! Okay. Ah! As you could see, that was a blue Velociraptor because we have a few special enemies now. Special Velociraptors. And these little guys don't have many arrow spots, they only have one on the head, so it always looks like you hit a headshot. Should it be a feature? Do you want to have a headshot every time? Maybe? I don't know. ¿Qué? The Heliosaurus. Look, look.
Look.
Stop right there. Oh, it was. What? Ah, I have. This shouldn't be like this. Solo que me sirve.
Sí, no quiero ver.
Okay, now I'm not visible behind trees. Not sure about the leaf arrangement. I'm gonna leave it like. I'm not gonna place it for now. I shall come up with something else. Okay, so we have finished the leaf particles. I have to leave it in progress here because no, the art is already done, I think. Yeah. So it's done. Yeah. And I think it's good we move on to the arm recoil and camera kick. Gonna use a normal constructor for a mono behavior object instead of a start. Nice. I don't think you can. What you could do is have it not be a mono behavior. You have awake too. Let me go to the player. Okay. So awake is called before start. The exact moment you spawn the object. After the awake comes the start. So you could use awake for like kind of the constructor if you want, because mono behaviors have to be inside a game object. I think you can't have it like floating around like normal classes. But what I do is use awake for inside setting the inside variables, and then I can use start to call things from other game objects, because I know, for example, at the beginning of the scene, when I call start, all the game objects will have called awake previously, so I know they will have the variables set. Maybe that's what you wanted to do, I'm not sure. Okay. Perfect. So, yeah. Arm recoil, I think it's better I do it through animation. I have two layers, one for the body, one for the arm, because they are separate things. I mean, they are in the same object, but I'm actually using kind of bones to the bones to make it rotate. So, and I want to be able to shoot even if I'm walking or something. Talking about awake helped, but I need to just make it a regular object. Thanks. You're welcome. Anytime. Anything I can do to help. I have many scripts that aren't a few scripts that aren't really mono behaviors, I think. Yeah, like math isn't mono behavior, but you don't really call it either, like start it. But you don't necessarily need for a script to be mono behavior unless you are going to attach it to a game object. Okay, so I have the arm shoot animation. What you want to do is go to the arm shoot animation. Okay. This is the animation for shooting. It's not very complicated. It's 3 frames actually. It's very simple. So what I will do is move this. Gonna move it all. Backwards a bit. So I'm using the animator to move objects around. So on the first frame is normal, second frame is back a little, and then it's normal again. So you kind of have something like that. I think it should be alright. Yeah, maybe I should move it a little bit less. I think so. I think it's fine like this. And what we also know, what we also want is the camera to actually not really do a screen shake or just a screen shake, but to move a little bit in opposite to the arrow direction. So you kind of feel the impact when you shoot, like you move backwards, because the arrow has a lot of strength when leaving the crossbow. So I'm gonna do that. The camera script is a mess, a big mess. It's not very organized. Let me just think. Okay. We want the player to, or the level manager to say, okay, I wanna do camera kick. I'm probably going to call it that. Something like I do with screen shake. And I will have to give the camera the direction the arrow is going, so I can go opposite, so the camera can go opposite to it. I'm gonna change the music first. We were listening to this earlier. Okay. So public void